Welcome to John's Maths Book, and in this video I'm going to be explaining what Cramer's rule is and how it can be used to solve a set of linear equations. Now, if you like these videos, then please hit the subscribe button and tell me why you like these videos in the comment section below. So let's get started. So we have a system of linear equations written at the top. 2x plus y is equal to 1. And 3x plus 3y is equal to 4. Now we could use the substitution method or the elimination method to solve these simultaneously. However, there is another way of doing it, and it's called Cramer's rule. To do it, we need to find the determinant of the coefficient matrix. So to find the determinant of the coefficient matrix, we can write that as D, and it's the coefficients of each of the x and y values. So it's 2, 1, 3, and 3. Now, we need to calculate what this determinant is. So the way we calculate the determinant is we say 2 times 3, 2 times 3, and that's minus 1 times 3. So if we work that out, is 2 times 3 is 6 minus 3, that is 3. So the determinant of the coefficient matrix is 3. The next thing we have to do is to work out the determinant of x. The determinant of x can be written as we replace the coefficients of x with the answer values here. So if we replace x with the answer values, we get 1 and 4, and we leave the y's as they are. We put the coefficients of 1 and 3. Then we can multiply it out. So it's 1 times 3 minus 1 times 4. So that is equal to 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. And finally, we need to work out the determinant of y. So the determinant of y, the dy, is equal to, so we leave the coefficients of the x term in place. So we have 2 and 3, 2 and 3, and we replace the y coefficients with the answer values. So we replace it with 1 and 4. So dy is equal to 2 times 4, 2 times 4, minus 1 times 3. The dy is equal to 2 4s are 8, minus 1 times 3 is 3, so dy is equal to 5. Now the values of x, so x is equal to the determinant of x divided by the determinant of the coefficient matrices. So dx is minus 1, and the determinant is 3. So x is 3, and y is equal to the determinant of y minus the determinant of the coefficient matrices. So the determinant of y is 5, and the determinant, so that's 5, and the determinant of the coefficient matrix is 3. So y is 5/3. So x is minus 1/3, and y is 5/3. So why is this important? Well, as we've seen before, we can solve an equation as we have above using the elimination method or the substitution method. However, if we then have 3 equations with 3 different variables, or 4 equations with 4 different variables, then it becomes much more difficult. So Cramer's rule is used in these cases. In future videos, I'll be making some videos on the solution of linear equations where you have 3 equations and 3 variables. But for now, this is just an introduction. So that concludes the video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did like it, then as usual, please subscribe, share, like, comment. So that's it for now. So until next time, bye for now.